Welcome to Explainur.com, where we simplify digital marketing for students like you without the boring lectures or fake success stories.
Yep, no I made $1,000 in 10 minutes claims here. Just honest, helpful convos. Today, we're diving into one big question students always ask.
What's the best side hustle for me in digital marketing?
Freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or maybe starting a micro agency?
It's like walking into a buffet. So many tempting options, but no clue what to put on your plate first.
Exactly. So today, we're not giving you a one-size-fits-all answer. We're helping you figure your starting point based on your interests, time, and vibe.
Let's break it down. Digital marketing has 4 major hustle paths: freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or starting a small agency.
Think of them like Hogwarts houses. Each one has its own strengths, and your choice depends on your hustle personality. Freelancers are the solo snipers. Creators are the artists with a mic. Affiliates are the low-key rainmakers. And agency folks, they're the mini CEOs.
Oof, that was smooth. I'm definitely part Ravenclaw and part Client Claw.
Let's explore each one, what it involves, who it's for, and what kind of energy you need to thrive.
First up, freelancing. You've got a skill. Maybe it's writing, social media, editing, SEO. Boom, you offer it to clients.
You're basically a one-person service business. You get paid per project or per hour, 0 investment needed, just your skills and maybe a laptop that doesn't crash every 10 minutes.
Good for students who enjoy working behind the scenes and prefer cash over clout.
Exactly. And you learn fast because every client teaches you something new. Just be ready for revision requests at 2 a.m.
Pro tip: start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or just cold DM local businesses. Mention your digital marketing certifications and training. Makes you sound more legit. Want to learn more about digital marketing from scratch? We've got a full guide on Explainur.com. Go check it out after this episode.
Okay, next, the creator path. This one's for the folks who love putting themselves out there. YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, even podcasting.
It's a long game. You won't get paid immediately, but you build an audience. And then you monetize through sponsorships, digital products, or brand deals.
Also, it's perfect for expressive people. If you've got ideas, a voice, or even memes, this is your playground.
But real talk, it's not just about dancing on reels or pointing at text bubbles. You'll need strategy, consistency, and some thick skin for low views.
Great analogy I once heard. Being a content creator is like planting a forest. The first few months is just dirt and doubt.
But when it clicks, you grow roots and income. Not sure what to post or how to start? Our Zero to Creator checklist is coming up on Explainur.com. Go bookmark it.
All right, next, affiliate marketing, aka earning money by recommending stuff you love.
Let's say you review a book, a tool, or a course on your blog or YouTube, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid.
It sounds passive, and technically it is, but you still need content, trust, and traffic. That's the magic trio.
Also, affiliate income is like a delayed salary. You put in work now, get paid later. So this path is best if you already have or are building an audience.
Or if you're patient. It's like being a mango farmer. You won't taste the fruit this week, but the harvest is sweet when it comes.
Last one,